Welcome to the full demo of UserFlow360 for WordPress. Let's start with the installation. Click Add Plugins, then Upload Plugin. Browse for the zip file, upload it, and click Install Now. Activation takes seconds, and that's it. Installation is complete in under a minute. UserFlow360 now appears in the WordPress sidebar. The plugin is ready to use out of the box as no pre-install configuration is required. UserFlow360 captures, processes, and visualizes real user behavior, all on-premise, and GDPR safe. This is the main dashboard panel. Use these tabs to reach every feature: replays, KYV Know Your Visitors, settings, help, and about licensing. The Introduction tab lists key features and definitions, setup options, and quick start tips, all integrated natively in WordPress. Now let's move to one of the core modules, Session Replay. Inside the Replays tab you'll find every recorded session. Use the multi-filter bar to narrow results by date range, page name, sort order, or browser. You can combine as many filters as you need. Here's an illustrative example with a date filter, sorted by duration and limited to Chrome sessions. The table updates instantly to show only matching sessions. Filtered views like this surface issues faster and make large datasets manageable in just a few clicks. Take a moment to review the narrowed results. Need to clear the view? Tap Reset, and the full list returns. Reset returns to the full dataset instantly. Each row shows when the visit started, its entry and exit pages, and the total time on site. The blue bar reflects that session's length, while the thin red line marks the median across all visits, ideal for spotting outliers at a glance. Long sessions above the median often point to engagement or friction, so they're worth a closer look. You can use this information to prioritize which sessions to replay first. The Pages column shows how many pages the visitor explored during that session. Higher counts can indicate complex journeys or user hesitation worth reviewing. On the right are two quick controls. Click the blue play button to replay the journey, or the red delete icon to remove it. These actions let you manage sessions without leaving the dashboard. You can replay sessions anytime, or clear the ones you don't need. Let's open one of these sessions and step inside the full replay view, where you can watch exactly what the visitor saw and did. Let's open a long session, nearly 2 hours, so you can see the full power of UserFlow360's replay viewer. Don't worry, you won't have to sit through the full 2 hours. UserFlow360 automatically compresses idle moments, so you can review the entire journey in minutes, not hours. As the replay runs, you'll notice an orange trail following the user's mouse. Every movement is mapped in real time, helping you see exactly where attention flowed, where hesitation occurred, and how users navigated the page. The replay interface is deliberately simple and distraction-free. On the left, a red X closes the replay window when you're done. If you watch the full session, at the right you'll see a message in gray with session complete. But let's stop here for now and take a closer look at the controls available during playback. Need a fresh start of the whole session? Click Rewind to jump back to the first page of that session. Right at the center, you have the familiar pause and play buttons, the core controls for any session. Just beside them, a skip button lets you move directly to the next page. With the speed controls above, you can slow down to half speed for detailed inspection, or speed up to 4x to scan quickly through a session. This feature is especially helpful when reviewing complex user flows or catching subtle hesitations. The ability to adjust the session replay pace keeps you in control. Tick Automatic Replay if you want the session to loop continuously. It's a practical option when you're reviewing sessions with a team, presenting findings, or monitoring repeated user patterns, all without needing to stop and restart manually. The blue bar visualizes the entire session timeline. Red markers pinpoint the exact moments the user moved to a new page. You'll see at a glance how long each page held their attention, a useful way to spot hesitation, friction, or interest zones. Just below, you'll find key details of the session: the current page, the exact URL being viewed, and the total time spent on this page. Everything is easy to scan and ideal for analyzing drop-offs, bottlenecks, or points where users might get stuck. Browser type and screen resolution are also captured automatically, giving designers and developers instant context on how the layout behaves across different devices or viewports. This is especially useful when debugging display issues, responsive breakpoints, or inconsistent rendering. Whether you're optimizing conversions or debugging UX, every click, scroll, and interaction is captured and preserved. You can replay sessions anytime. It's like having a full playback of the user's experience, without relying on guesswork. This kind of clarity saves hours when troubleshooting or validating design changes and user journeys. Let's open another session, this time a shorter one, just a couple of minutes, and from a different visitor who viewed the same pages. We'll step through the same flow and compare how behavior varies from one user to another. Watch closely. As the replay plays out, you'll see a visible mouse trail tracking every movement the user made, just like you were looking over their shoulder. Clicks appear as small ripple animations or markers, clearly showing where the user interacted, hesitated, or misclicked expecting something else. This makes it easy to spot confusing elements, weak call to actions, or distracting layouts, even without reading logs or interpreting heatmaps. It's also a great way to understand micro-interactions, like hover hesitation or repeated clicking, that point to frustration or uncertainty. For designers, these subtle patterns often reveal more than raw numbers ever could. Let's move into the KYV tab, short for Know Your Visitors. This dashboard gathers every audience signal in one place, so you can instantly see who's visiting, when, how, and from where. Think of it as behavioral intelligence plus classic reporting, but fully self-hosted and privacy first. Whether you're segmenting traffic, benchmarking campaigns, or troubleshooting by device, these charts surface trends in seconds. Any chart or table here can be downloaded as PNG, SVG, or CSV, for reporting, analysis, or integration with your own dashboards. Whether you're preparing slides, building benchmarks, or importing into Excel, it's all just one click away. At the top, choose any date range, today, yesterday, last week, or a custom span. In this example, we're viewing data from 11 June to 10 July. Instantly, session counts and unique visits are refreshed automatically. Average session duration is 8 minutes 54 seconds, while the median is 10 seconds, a clear sign that most visits are brief but a few stay far longer and remain deeply engaged. Scroll down and you'll see the most visited pages, complete with visit counts, perfect for prioritizing content or debugging high traffic funnels. Next comes bounce rate analysis. Remember, lower is better, under 40% for e-commerce, under 50% for service sites like the one shown here. KYV highlights where you stand against those industry benchmarks. Blue bars compare current performance to last year benchmarks, so you can spot seasonal shifts or drops at a glance. Technical data shows browser share, plus a full list of screen resolutions, critical for responsive design and QA testing. User interactions are summarized just below, 52 clicks, over 400 mouse moves, and full scroll depth data, showing how far users explore each page. It's quick to digest and provides a clear view of engagement, far beyond simple page view metrics. Click, movement, and scroll event frequencies are broken out for pattern analysis, while the session level table lets you analyze individual pages. Whether you're segmenting traffic, benchmarking campaigns, or troubleshooting by device, KYV surfaces trends in seconds, and enterprise settings with specific KPIs are already available on request for multi-site or complex deployments. More advanced analytics modules are already in development. They'll drop in with future updates, with every byte of your data staying fully on-premise. Let's move into the Settings tab, where you define how UserFlow360 behaves behind the scenes. This is the command center where technical fine-tuning meets operational control, ideal for site admins, compliance teams, and advanced users. We'll begin at the top with General Settings. By default, UserFlow360 captures every visitor session. But if you ever need to pause all recordings, for maintenance, staging, or audits, just flip this toggle. Disable Session Replay globally. It's immediate, universal, and reversible. One switch, total control of replays. It's perfect for maintenance windows or privacy audits. Below that, you'll find Geo-IP settings. UserFlow360 supports 2 database options if you need regional insights: WooCommerce Geo-IP and IP2 location. If either is installed, you can geolocate visitor sessions for regional analysis. You can also leave it off to stay location-free. If you prefer to disable location tracking altogether, simply select None. This choice is important for privacy-first deployments, where geodata isn't needed or must stay deactivated for compliance reasons. Next up, the license field. This is where you activate your premium license key. Activation unlocks plugin updates, priority support, and future features under the CTS Labs roadmap. Until then, your plugin runs in demo mode with just one click away from premium capabilities. Let's continue with session replay filters. Here, you can exclude your own IP address from being tracked, great for avoiding clutter during testing or development. Your current IP is shown below the input field for convenience. You can also choose whether to include admin sessions in the replay logs. By default, admin users are excluded, but with a single toggle, you can start tracking internal usage for QA or training purposes. Now let's explore performance settings. This section controls how often session data is recorded. Throttle interval in milliseconds defines how frequently mouse and scroll events are captured. Lower numbers give ultra-smooth replays but grow the database faster. For most websites, the default of 2000 milliseconds offers a great balance between detail and size. Need finer precision? Try 1000 ms. Optimizing storage? Go with 5000 milliseconds. Choose your level of granularity based on your site's volume and your infrastructure's capacity. Performance settings give you control over data volume. Throttle event capture from smooth, detailed 1-second intervals up to 5-second, storage-friendly bursts. Just below you can find the aggregation job schedule. This setting controls how often visitor data is processed for reporting. By default, it is once per day. You can switch to hourly updates if you need faster analytics in live campaigns or high-traffic events. Need faster dashboards? Switch aggregation from daily to hourly for real-time campaigns analytics. Next, let's talk database cleanup and purging. The UserFlow360 plugin handles session retention automatically. By default, recorded sessions are deleted after 30 days to reduce bloat, but you can customize this window based on your needs. If you ever need a fresh start, 2 red buttons are available. ONW with delete all session replays, which wipes every recorded session instantly, and another one that delete all statistics data and clears all your dashboards and charts. Both are irreversible, so use with care. But these tools are essential in enterprise deployments, especially when rotating data for compliance or storage budgets. Database hygiene is also built in automatically. Pick how many days to keep raw sessions, or purge everything with a single click when storage or compliance requires. At the bottom, discover debug mode, a powerful setting. Turn this on to log additional data to your browser's console. It's ideal for troubleshooting custom behaviors, plugin conflicts, or technical edge cases. It stays off by default to keep performance clean, but it's always there when you need it. In short, settings adapts UserFlow360 to your workload, from lightweight blogs to complex enterprise multi-language and multi-region websites or e-commerce settings, while keeping every byte of data on-premise. Whether you're running a high-traffic site, a privacy-restricted application, or a detailed product test, the flexibility here means UserFlow360 adapts to your infrastructure, not the other way around. Let's take a quick look at the final 2 tabs, Help and About and Licensing. The Help tab brings together essential documentation, quick start guidance, and contact support links, all accessible directly within WordPress. Whether you're troubleshooting or training new users, everything is just one click away. Take a moment to explore these resources. They're always here when you need a refresher, a shortcut, or a deeper technical answer. In the About and Licensing tab, you'll find plugin version info, support status, and your license key field. Once activated, you'll unlock premium support and advanced features, all maintained under the CTS-EMEA Labs roadmap. It's also where you can verify your installation, check for updates, and stay aligned with the latest improvements. Everything in one place, ready when you are. Now, if you need more than the built-in features, UserFlow360 also offers enterprise-grade extensions and integration services, tailored to your business needs. Here are 4 examples of advanced projects we've already delivered using UserFlow360 as a foundation. 1. Connect session data to your CRM or MarTech stack by syncing user behavior data with automation tools, thus enabling campaign optimization and behavioral segmentation across channels. 2. Feed UserFlow360 analytics into your business intelligence dashboards, from Power Business Intelligence to Looker and Tableau, to unify performance and unified visibility reporting across teams. 3. Extend tracking capabilities with custom KPIs and dashboards designed around your workflows, whether you're in e-commerce, B2B, or SaaS. 4. Analytics enablement programs, defining behavioral KPIs, aligning with business objectives, and building decision-ready dashboards. For larger teams, we offer strategic enablement services by translating user behavior into meaningful KPIs, aligning dashboards with business goals, and unlocking conversion intelligence at scale. This is where behavioral data becomes actionable strategy. Everything remains 100% on-premise, GDPR-compliant, and built to evolve with your needs. UserFlow360, it's your behavioral command center, turning every click into clarity. Scalable, secure, and strategy-ready, UserFlow360 adapts to your ecosystem and delivers insights where it matters most. Stop guessing. Start understanding your users. UserFlow360, where intuition meets precision. No subscriptions, no cloud. Buy once and run it forever. This was the full walkthrough of UserFlow360 version 1.0.0 for WordPress and dated the 25th of June 2025. It reflects the general release available to the public. For an enterprise demo or tailored onboarding, please contact us directly. UserFlow360, it's field tested. We've used it for years in complex corporate environments, where precision, privacy, and insight aren't optional. Now, it's available to you.